Can you hear that? That's a nice breeze rustling through all of the pine trees here. Here's where we are. And we have our van, Grace, right next to me here. And I just want to say how much I love our bug walls. They keep the bugs out, and they allow us, when we have a beautiful breeze like this in the mid-60s, so beautiful here, we can leave the side window or the side door all the way open, and the back door is open too. And it's wonderful inside, getting cool, fresh air. But the best part, I think, about the bug walls are the satisfying noise these magnetic ones make when they close. I'll show you here. Ready? If you go in, listen. Oh, that's just like beautiful, a beautiful thing. Ready? Here we go again. It's like magic, and I just wanted to share that. We love our bug walls. Yay. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Go camping.